So today is the 32nd episode. About 6 months as I fly, and this is my track where I check my progress. Last time, about a couple of months ago, I tried to pass this track without mistakes, and I spent 3 or 4 hours. Today, I did it on my 3rd try. Flying in an FPV simulator is a great way to start learning how to fly a quadcopter without the risk of breaking up expensive equipment. This allows you to gain control skills and understand the basic principles of flying. Here's what you'll need to get started. What you need to fly in FPV simulator. 1. Computer or game console. Point 2. FPV simulator. Popular simulators lift off. DRL Drone Racing League Simulator, Velocidrone Freerider, and others. These programs simulate real-world flight conditions and quadcopter models, giving you the opportunity to train in a variety of scenarios. 3. Remote controller. You can use the same radio that you will use for real flights. The remote must be compatible with your computer. Advantages of training in the simulator. Safety. There is no risk of damaging equipment or harming others. There are no costs for repairs and replacement of parts in case of accidents. Repeatability. You can repeatedly work out complex elements without restrictions. Availability. You can train at any time and in any weather conditions. Starting with a simulator, you will gain confidence and the necessary skills, which you can then apply in real flight. Okay, that's all for today. It was episode 32, How to Not Smash Your Drone. Welcome to the hobby.
Push the button and let's fly together. Push the button and let's fly together. Push the button and let's fly together. Push the button and let's fly together.